Hello everyone, welcome to another treasure design tutorial. So in this one I am going to show you guys this is the cryptocurrency t-shirt design, and the requirement was of my client was to make it a Ethereum t-shirt design. Like you can see, this is the example here. So I have to follow this, and these are different cryptocurrencies, but my requirement is to make it on Ethereum niche. Like this is another cryptocurrency, but except all these different cryptocurrencies I have to make it a Ethereum t-shirt design, but the theme will remain the same. So this is, you can call it like recreating an existing design. So this is the original design. I have to make something similar but in Ethereum niche. So for making this design, first of all I need the logo of Ethereum, and that's the logo. But this is this is an image, you can see. You will find tons of them in Google, but here I need to recreate this first, then I have to make something similar with this content here or the theme here. So let's first of all make the logo. So I'm going to lock this layer here so that I can draw on top of this, and the theme I want to create here is something very similar. So I'm taking a fill color. You can take any color, then click on these corner points just like this, so that you can make this outer line here. This is perfect. Now again I'm going to click on here. I need to maintain the proportion, and then here I can press shift X right now. As you can see, this is in fill mode, so I cannot see what's going on here. So if I press shift X, that will invert it. That means now I have only a stroke, no fill, and then I can join it. So this is how I can simply make the outline of this logo here, just like this. And then once it is done, I am going to select it and then press shift X again. So shift X means fill color. So this is how it is looking right now, but you can see there are some 3D look, like different colors in different position. So if I want to make that, I can simply drag a line just from the center position of the design, but make sure that there is no fill, there is no stroke of this line. And then if I select it like this, I can simply make it divide. So divide will make it different elements, like each and everything will become a different object. And then I can simply pick any color that I want, because that is the color of Ethereum logo here. So I'm going to pick these colors here, and this is really easy and simple way to make that logo. So you can see this is how it is looking, and then here are some extra area that you can see. So I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to go to select same, and then fill color. So it is going to select everything that is in red color, delete. That means I don't have that red color here anymore. So there are some extra space here, you can see some missing area, but that is because my line was not too perfect here. Let me fix it for a second. Okay, so after fixing that, you can see this is how it is looking. That means this is a vector file, this is a raster image, so I'm going to use this one. So this is my Ethereum logo here, this part is done, and I have to create this similar concept here, and that is crypto millionaire. So let me type in that. So this is the crypto, and here I will be using a similar style font, like this thin style. So maybe I will use lemon milk. This is the thin style font. You will find that on the font.com. And then I'm going to drag down a copy, and this is my millionaire. So these two part I will keep similar, because that's the requirement here, that is the style here. But to make this t-shirt design unique, I'm going to change this graphic here. And before that I will be adding loading. So this is my text here, three text, and I have to keep the similar concept but make it unique. So I'm going to do something like, I will be placing this Ethereum logo here, something like this. and I'm going to make it look like it is loading. So I'm pressing Ctrl D. So 5 copies is good for me. Let's align them center wise, distribute the space, and then I'm going to make it a group so that I can simply bring this, make this smaller. So this is the main theme of my design here. That is the crypto millionaire, but with Ethereum. And here I will be adding a loading sign. This that loading bar you can say. So something like this. This is the rounded rectangle thing, and I'm going to press Shift X. Shift X will make it look like this in a stroke, and then I'm going to make a offset path for that shape, but I want to make it in minus direction, in negative direction. That will make inside a stroke. You can see like this. So minus 12 pixel or 13 pixel is going to give me this shape, the inside shape. And when the inside shape is selected, if I press Shift X, that will make it fill. So you can see this is the loading bar, kind of similar style, but I will change the style a bit here. So if I select this one, it is going to save that stroke size here. I'm going to drag a copy, drag a line here, then make a copy, and then keep pressing Ctrl D. Maybe that much, that is fine. So I want to align them all in the center position, that is fine. Maybe a bit right or left, something like this. Then there is a stroke right now, so I'm going to expand it. Once it is expanded, I can simply press Shift and then select that layer, inside layer, and then press Alt and click on this minus font. It is going to give me this option here, and then go to object, expand appearance. So this is how it is going to look like a loading bar here, but I don't need this part, so I want to delete it. That's fine. So this is the loading bar, it is loading. That means the Ethereum is loading, and how to present that. So I'm going to give give it a tweaks here, that you can see this is 5 copy. So first one I will keep 100%, second one I will keep 80%, the opacity, and then next one 60% opacity, then 40% opacity, then 20. And this is how it is looking right now. That means it is loading by percent, so by 20% actually. So this is loading by 20%, and this is how it will give it a this kind of similar loading style, but all with Ethereum, not these different cryptocurrencies. So that's the theme here I wanted to create. Now I need to adjust it, so I'm going to expand everything. And before that, let's make them a group, or I can select this part of the loading bar, expand it so that no stroke left, so it is only fill color here. And of course I want to make it exactly same wide as the Ethereum design, and maybe a bit closer to each other. Let's keep it a group, let's make it a group, and then I will be adjusting everything with my this wide. So that is fine, and then from here this much, then this millionaire a bit smaller, then this one I want to adjust with my millionaire text. Okay, so this is a group, this is a group, and these two I want to maybe a bit close to each other, then group. So if I select everything here, I can simply align them center wise, then distribute the space between them. You can see this is how it is looking. Let's apply some color. So I'm going to change this one's color to this dark shade, this one to this lighter shade, and then of course this loading darker shade, and then this one I want to make this outer circle this darker shade, and this inside circle lighter shade. So this is how it is looking right now. Don't worry, it will be a design for a black shirt. So let's see how it is looking. So yeah, this is how it is looking, and you can see it is now visible that the Ethereum is loading by percent. So I think this is my client will like this one. So this was just an idea how to research design, how to recreate the similar ideas. So if this is the this kind of works you get from different clients. This is how you can work with it. So this was with different cryptocurrencies, and this is all with Ethereum. And this color I pick because this is the Ethereum color you will find on Google, and there are also different colors logos of Ethereum, but this one I really like because it will look good on a black shirt. And that's it. You can simply, if you want, you can pick any color you want, and this is how it will look. So that's up to you. So I hope you will like this one, you will learn something new from this one. So thanks for watching my videos, guys. Have a great time. See you in the next video. Thank you.